Welcome. My name is Dee Beck. I am a travel advisor and Trello fan, and I'm on a mission to help travel advisors elevate their travel business using Trello. And this is all under the free version. In today's video, I'm going to show you the awesome power of due dates within each card. So let's get into it. And if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe for future videos. And if you really love what you see, I also have an Etsy shop specifically for travel advisors. All right, so due dates are an awesome function available in each Trello card. So right now we're looking at a Disney World template that I've built for clients going to Disney, and due dates are really going to help with this because we know that they get flooded with so much information, right? Our clients need to know what's going on. So for example, this is something I share with my clients, this board I am on with them. Final payment. When I open up the card, we'll see all of these buttons at the top of each card. These are functions, things that they can do. So you want to click dates. So for final payment, we're going to find that final payment due date. We'll click on it, and then we can set a reminder for 2 days before is the max days out Trello will allow you. So if you want to, play it a little more cautious and say due date really is June 11th, maybe set it for the week before, right? Since you're going to get that reminder 2 days before. And then you would hit save. And the neat thing about this is you can see it right there, and then it's going to email everybody on that Trello board that this final payment is coming up, right? So that's one really cool way we could do that. What to pack. I always set a reminder due date about a week before they travel. So we'll say they're traveling here and I want them to get the reminder on the 4th. So we're going to have that come at time of due date. And then as soon as I hit save, it's going to send a reminder to come to this card on June 4th. And you can just see how this can be useful, right? Lightning lane passes, same thing. When is our window open for that? And that's when we're going to set our due date. Now, do we want a 2 day before reminder? You choose what you'd like, and there it is. Okay. So remember, anybody who is on this board will be sent reminders about that. I want to show you one more way we can use this in our Trello boards. I think I had it in my to-do list, but this is such a great way. All of the memberships that we're a part of. Here is a link to my Mexperts membership if I need to renew. The link is right there, and then I'm going to set the due date. So say I'm set to expire June 25th, and I need to set a reminder 2 days before to remind me to renew that membership. So there's a few examples of how due dates can really help. So we're not always having to remember everything, and Trello can help us do the work for us. So I would love for you to leave any questions and comments below. Thanks for watching.